hey, nice.
Tacos. Fuck. Campgrounds for today. There's a great angle.
Yeah, I'll bet. My phone. Oh, I'm in satellite right now.
Yeah, I would not use that.
I'm gonna go take a piss over here. Parking garage?
Yeah, like what the fuck, dude?
Toss it. Right, you gotta toss it. You let go of that finger, and the line goes.
Ah!
And then get out. No, hey, nice.
What is that?
Oh, it's in order. You know what I think I might do though? I think I might just open the door.
Oh shit!
Hell yeah.
I did it.
Look at you. Alright, this is for the homies. Here you go, Dev. For you, Bubba. Look at this video I captured in
My
4K.
first catch. That's some seaweed.
I thought he was like serious. He was like, that's a seaweed. I was like, what the fuck?
I wish I got that on video. Oh my.
What? I'm here with the vibes, bro. Clearing my head.
And we back. I'm out of breath because we had to hike down the... Oh, I'm vlogging here. Don't mind me, huh? But that was my first time fishing. I spent $100 on a rod, some bait, and my license. Man, I didn't catch jack shit. You know, hopefully I catch my first fish sometime soon in these couple videos. Frick, and these goddamn mosquitoes out here is no joke. Fucking no joke. But we're gonna see what the boys doing. They're about to start the fire. We about to cook up some lamb tacos. Two. Cool. So it's windy, but we got some lamb steak. You know what I'm saying? Lamb leg. Those we got shallots, garlic. Can't forget the Danos.
What?
And these.
What?
I do not like a fucking frying pan. I think.
Oh, actually, I don't think I brought it because you said you had. You said you had shit.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you.
Big ass piece of meat.
Almost as big as mine. Here's a knife. Just like that. Do you think that's gonna work for you, Teeny Weeny?
What?
Is it gonna work for you?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this down real quick.
I feel like we're good at this. I don't think we're gonna use all this. The trash?
Yeah.
Okay, my shit's good to go whenever. I'm gonna start this fire.
Alright.
Love how there's just random dog treats in here. What? Love how you have dog treats in there.
Where? Oh, in the crate? Yeah. I thought the dog was from.
Stick of butter. Garlic butter. Let that melt on top.
So I don't know. It's not like I don't have other options to go to.
That's not true.
No, I'm saying I do.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I can easily go back to working at Southwest. Not hard for me to get a job there, but almost put me on EG.
Yeah.
They almost
Back when they added a bunch of people.
Yeah. When Schumacher went, I was the one who was originally supposed to go.
Damn.
Fucking Lamb ceviche.
Yeah.
I got a headlamp.
Yeah, lantern would have worked well.
Oh my god. Fucking dropped the garlic too.
Bro, you know the best part too? He's like, there's a water spigot right over there.
Yeah.
So like you can just go wash it. That's good.
Did you bring limes or anything?
Is your car unlocked? Yeah, it's open.
Oh.
That bitch is gonna be self-sustaining lifting right now. Bro, this is fucking glorious right here.
Dude, this is like the decompression that we need from work, bro.
Dude, where's my fucking phone at?
Hey, Spats. Cilantro is the last thing to cut, right?
It's already cut.
Bet.
It's the shit you get in like the little box of stuff. It's already like together.
If you want to toss it, if you want to mix it in this onion mix.
Go send it, dude. Why not?
Dude, where did you get this from?
Oh, that's from
BX.
Thompson.
Jesus Christ, I went through every little thing that you have on there.
Oh, you can get those at fucking Target. You can get them wherever.
How much was that? I couldn't imagine what.
$3. It's the same as one bunch of cilantro.
Is it really?
Yeah, but it's like
It's already chopped up and stuff.
fuck ton. Yeah. That's the hack, dude. That's I always get that shit.
He over here mixing it up, like he's making like drink or something. Yeah. Toss it behind the back and get these.
Hey, yo. How close are we, Sean?
To Edie?
Yeah.
Nah.
How close?
That's when all the flight people stayed out on this one. I think it's around. Well, I was like, now we're doing 12. Yeah, so like I'm at 8, it would be around like 12 o'clock, like midway through the shift. So 12, it's probably going to be under
Kind of burnt. That is kind of burnt, but it's okay.
And she's like, I told her, like, I was trying to sugarcoat it a little bit, and she's like, that's no fucking time, you know, you bring the fuck out. And then switch into a fucking bottle. Yep. I was like, you're my new like, yeah, dude.
He always has a look in. It's great.
I love it.
Well, you might lose it, bro.
I know, that's what you're saying. I was like, you fucking joking.
Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous because like literally, you know, because specifically in this new seniors, like I want somebody more experienced.
The senior probably has
what we're doing. I was making sure I'm right. That's all.
Yeah, my ADHD is really bad right now.
Dude, my ADHD earlier when I was getting ready just to go on this trip, I was fucked, dude. Yeah, we're finishing out the fall tonight for sure. What'd you say, was it? Here, put those in your tank. Put them in the tank.
I'm not asking you for kicking my ass.
Well, the tons are in the truck, so.
I literally just took more. Took two more before I had that beer.
Yeah. I think beer is just fucking you up, dude. Maybe you have a gluten allergy.
It's not like it could have stopped me from thinking beer.
This is how far we are into this already.
I mean, it wasn't that big.
No, it's only 750. And it's not like drinking whiskey.
Now you can taste it, but like, dude, it still tastes like cherry Coke.
Yeah, I know.
This is fucking beautiful. This is a
So I only went like, I think I only went like 2/3 of the way up to that line before. But
Yeah.
this time, I went like all the way up to here.
It still tastes like cherry Coke.
It does, dude.
It's terrifying, right?
That's great.
I have some photos of this
my
one.
friend.
You gotta introduce you?
Yeah.
This is the one that isn't open yet.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
Hell yeah.
it's okay. It's okay. Flavor.
It's gonna be good. But those tacos are gonna be fucking good. Oh my god.
My light's red because we're running night ops. Not trying to have no one see us except we have a fucking fire. That's okay. Look at our taco. Ooh!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We living. We living. What is it? AMSR?
ASMR.
ASMR. I'm dyslexic, sorry. Hope you like the video. We're about to chill out, have some fun.
Hope you like the asthma. Hope you like the asthma, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh god, I've never.
Hope y'all like the video. But yeah, like, subscribe, Alright, brothers. It's morning time. Still in the spot. Camping spot. I had the best sleep of my life. Oh my god. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, man. I'm about to go pass out. I have an hour drive. Y'all can't even see me. I'm so sorry. I'm just tired. Made you make it. See you.